The last time I was with Megan, I stayed out past my curfew. And due to my parole officer, I don't have no wiggle room to make any mistakes. I don't know the consequences of being in violation of my parole again. Sarah brought on my phone.
What's going on? You were supposed to be here 10 minutes ago. Priority is parole. You don't have permission to drive. I saw you drive in. Yeah, guess what? You don't drive. And now you got a failure to report.
These cops are just very aggressive.
They were outside waiting for him, and the PO said something about he shouldn't be driving.
Come on out.
Which I don't understand because he said he was allowed to drive.
He's on parole. He belongs to us, okay? He belongs to New York State.
I'm trying not to freak out. I'm trying to be logical. I'm trying to be calm about it. They're searching his car. They went through my suitcase.
You shut these cameras on.
I feel violated. I don't want somebody going through my suitcase, touching my intimate things. It's just, it was unnecessary. What the f? They were trying to book him on a failure to show up to parole, like saying that he didn't come, basically, which isn't true because he was there. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have no idea. He could go back to jail.